Hi everybody, welcome to my channel. Today we have a Walmart unboxing and unbagging and opening up and showing you what I have bought from walmart.com. Let's go ahead and start with this box here, and we will go ahead and cut it open this way. Let's see what is in this box. Ooh, that's wrapped up pretty good. This is kind of a miscellaneous haul. There's a little bit of everything in this one, but from Walmart and walmart.com. And from, I'm going to be showing you mostly Pioneer Woman items today. Let's get this guy open. I kind of remember what this was. These were really cute. To show you. Oh, there we go. There we go. And they wrap them really good because these are like ceramic. Oh, these are ceramic, so they have to be wrapped up really good. You don't want them to break. I'm going to discard the box. And, alright, let's discard the box. My little friend the cat is waiting for the box. I want you to choose on the box, so I don't want that. Oh, I remember. Oh my goodness, they're upside. I opened it upside down. No, let me do it like this. It's easier to show you guys. I'll open it the right way. Cut it over here. And put the foam up here. So these are little fruit containers. Look at them. Ceramic. Look how cute. This is the smallest. It comes in 3. So this is the medium one. Oh my goodness, for fruit, for berries, for anything really. And this is the big one. Look how cute. This was really worth it. I like this. I don't have anything like this to hold fruit. This large one is a pretty big one to hold fruit. There she is. Can everyone see her? There she is. It wasn't going to be too long. So that big one can hold maybe larger pieces of fruit like strawberries or cherries. There she is chewing on on the paper. This one maybe for this big one for like apples. This one for strawberries. No, she's got a piece of paper from the box, and I was telling her no. This one would be for strawberries, the medium, and then this one may be for blueberries or something just little, like little fruits or something. So, oh my goodness, so cute. That's our first purchase. So everyone, excuse me, I'm going to put the purchase down here. Okay, that's our first one. It's safe and sound. Now let's open up our next. This one was in a bag, and here are the scissors. Let's see what we got here. Those are so cute. Doesn't Pioneer Woman make the cutest little things for the home? Just adorable. Oh, here's item number 2. I will try and scooch her away. Come on, over this way. Come on this way. Let's go see what we have. So this was a shower curtain. Also, this was on sale also. The other one wasn't on sale. But this one was the Pioneer Woman classic shower curtain. Oh, it's pretty. It's a nice material. I got one. It has a nice pattern like this. This would be more. Do you think this is like a fall, maybe winter? I'm trying to look. I'm not sure what kind of vibe I feel for this one. If this would be more for spring. I'm not really sure. But in any case, there's the shower curtain. There we go. She wants to jump on the box. There we go. Okay, so there's that. I know I have some more shower curtains, but let's do this one. This one I took out of the box simply because it would have been large and clunky and a struggle to get it out. So this is the Pioneer Woman. It is a 6.4 quart Dutch oven with lid. Oh, it's bigger than I thought. It's bigger than the other ones I have. I thought it was, when I ordered it was going to be smaller, but hey, I need a bigger one because the small ones I have, the soup kind of over boils, because next thing you know, I filled the pot up with, look how nice, this is a good size, and look how pretty. She's in my box, so I'm just making sure she's not, she's got her whole body in that little box. I'm making sure she's not chewing on the box. So very, very nice. Look at that. So this would be nice for fall soup cooking. Okay, let's put this one down. Speaking of fall soup cooking, I'm getting pretty hungry. It must be dinner time. Okay, so here in this one, and this one feels like the shower curtain, so let's go ahead and open this one for you guys. These shower curtains are pretty too, but let's see how they look in person. Let me show you now. All right, let's take a look. Let's see how these look. Here's the one. Ooh, these are nice. So just simply saying shower curtain. These ones are in plastic. The other one wasn't. The other one just came as is. I'm going to take the plastic out for you. Ooh, that's how these look. Look at the floral. No, no. She's chewing on the, no. She was chewing on the, no. Okay, we're good. So this one, oh, this is very nice. That's how it looks. And that's this is the pattern over here. This is really nice. These were on sale. I got 2. I'll use one on the window in the bathroom and one in the actual shower curtain. That way I'll have 2 that kind of go together. Oh, she's at another box now. So those are really pretty. I really am happy with those. Those look really nice. Let's try and give her attention. Okay, and here's the last unbagging. Ooh. And this one's funny because this is unbagging a box. The other ones were unbagging bags. This one's unbagging a box. And a box, Pioneer Woman. So these are shoes. And these were on sale because it's the end of summer. Oh, and it's her little slides, her little like flip-flop or sandal slides. Look how cute. Oh my goodness, these are nice. They're soft too. And they have a nice bottom that's not slippery. So that's how that looks. And that's how that looks. And then like that. And Pioneer Woman. So very, very nice. I'm quite pleased with these. I think they come in full sizes. I got 6. Since I'm a size 6. I don't think they have half sizes, but I'm not that sure. But that's what I got. And I'm going to start wearing these now. So I hope everyone enjoyed my little Walmart miscellaneous haul from Walmart.com. If you did, go ahead and hit the subscribe button. So that way you'll be subscribed. You'll be getting many more videos when I do hauls. And go ahead and hit the like button. That would be great. And if you also like cats, because my cat makes an appearance almost all the time when I do hauls. So everyone have a wonderful day, and I'll see you soon. Bye.